I used to crave sugar all the time, morning, noon, and night. I thought it was just a bad habit, but in reality, it was controlling my energy, mood, and overall health. Today, I'm sharing my personal journey of breaking free from sugar cravings and building healthier habits, including natural alternatives like honey and maple syrup that made all the difference. It started with constant crashes. I'd eat something sweet, feel great for a while. Then suddenly, I was tired, moody, and craving more. I was stuck in a cycle. The problem? My body was addicted to the quick energy spikes sugar gave me, but those highs always came with a crash. The turning point? I decided to take control. The first step was awareness, reading labels and realizing just how much sugar was hiding in healthy foods like granola bars and flavored yogurts. Then, I started making swaps, replacing refined sugar with natural sweeteners like honey and maple syrup, both of which have added nutrients and a lower glycemic impact. The hardest part? The first week. Cutting back on refined sugar made me irritable and tired, but I pushed through. Instead of candy, I used a drizzle of honey on Greek yogurt or a spoonful of maple syrup in my oatmeal. These natural options satisfied my sweet tooth without the sugar crashes. Then something amazing happened. My cravings faded. I had more energy throughout the day, my skin cleared up, and I wasn't constantly thinking about my next snack. What used to feel impossible became my new normal. So here's what worked for me. Replace refined sugar with natural alternatives like honey and maple syrup. They're sweeter, so you use less, and they come with added nutrients. Pair your meals with protein, healthy fats, and fiber to stabilize your blood sugar. Stay consistent. The first few days are tough, but once you adjust, the cravings go away. If you're struggling with sugar cravings, know this: you can break free. Swapping refined sugar for honey and maple syrup made a huge difference in my journey, and it can for you too. What's your favorite way to use natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup? Share your tips in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and wellness tips. See you next time.